All right, so here at 6 Milton Street in Attleboro, you got over $150,000 worth of upgrades that have been done to the property. New HVAC, septic, plumbing, electrical, two full brand new bathrooms and a brand new kitchen with a breakfast bar. Let's take a look. Beautiful main entryway and foyer. Come over here. Beautiful living room, lots of natural light. Dining area with a breakfast nook and an opened up kitchen. Quartz countertops, brand new sink, stainless steel appliances. Stairs going up right off of the main entryway here. Beautifully stained hardwood floors. Come up here to the second floor landing. The full bathroom. Second floor washer dryer hookup. Brand new sink. Primary bedroom.